Okay, so just as the title says, Teslas are getting cheaper. So Model 3 is actually going to get cheaper, whereas Model S and X will actually see a price increase technically.
Slightly.
In the coming months.
Yeah.
So we're going to go over that real quick with you. The biggest thing for actually the entire fleet of Teslas is going to be premium connectivity. So that's going to include things like satellite maps with traffic visualization, which basically is the colored lines that shows you either red, orange, or green traffic. And then you have streaming media and over-the-air updates and the internet browser. So that's what that includes. But if you order after July 1st, you will only get that free for 1 year if you get the premium upgrades package. Otherwise, you will have to pay $100 a year.
Yeah, it's $100.
It's almost like a little bit more than $8 a month.
Yeah, it's too bad it's not going to be free forever for everybody.
Right.
But at least everybody who's grandfathered in, everybody who's already purchased by July 1st this year, will be able to still get that package without having to pay.
And I mean, to be honest, we kind of saw this coming anyway. In 2013, they actually said owners will only get the first 4 years for free.
Yep.
So, I mean, a car company this big can't give everyone free data for life.
Yeah. And we also did get a heads up back in March when we picked up your Model 3. During the delivery, they told us 1 year of free data. We're like,
right.
We hadn't heard that before, and now we know why.
So if that $100 is kind of a make it or break it for you, make sure you get your order in by Saturday, the end of June, because otherwise, starting July 1st, price will be increasing. Cars that do not get the premium connectivity, or should you decide to decline it, will still get the standard connectivity package, which is going to include basically just over-the-air updates that are safety required. Like mandatory ones that they don't want you to be driving without. You will still get navigation, but it will not include live traffic. So that's another thing if that's important to you. And then also media. You won't get the streaming media. You'll have to stream everything via Bluetooth, which for a lot of people, such as myself, I do that anyway because I'm a Spotify fan. I don't really care for TuneIn or any of that. But some things to keep in mind.
One thing too, though, even if you just get that standard package, you'll still be able to get regular software updates via your Wi-Fi if you have it hooked up to Wi-Fi at home or at work.
Yeah, so and now on Model 3 front, Model 3s are actually getting a price cut, which is something I'm sure a lot of you will like. It's actually quite a decent range too, starting at $1,000 all the way up to like $6,000 off.
Yeah.
Dual motor is now a $4,000 option instead of a $5,000 like originally thought. That's a pretty sweet deal, but a fully loaded dual motor Model 3 is still going to run $64,000. That is including full self-driving, enhanced autopilot, all that.
Yeah, the wheels, and if you're getting one of the colors, red or white multi-coat, did go up in price slightly.
Yeah, so those are now $1,500 rather than $1,000. But still not too bad. I think that's basically in line with Model S and X now.
Same price. Okay, and good news for all those people who are interested in the performance version of the Model 3, but it had a really big price cut. It was about $6,000, so I think fully loaded for that now is like $80,000. That includes enhanced autopilot and full self-driving. Yeah. And they broke things up a little bit, so if you could get the performance version without having to get all of the performance features. And so they put some stuff into a package, the $5,000 performance package, which includes those 20-inch performance wheels, a spoiler. It includes aluminum pedals, and they increased the top speed to now 155 miles an hour instead of 145. One thing to note, though, about the carbon fiber spoiler and the aluminum pedals is those will probably not be on the car right when you get it. Those will be added later.
But if you are interested in a spoiler, you can check out T Sportline. They're actually making a custom one. And if you wanted aluminum pedals, we got them here. I'll be doing an install and review on this next week, so be sure to tune in. These are Model 3. So we got them here first, basically. So definitely stay tuned for that. Now, dual motor and performance will come with a different badge, which is a large dual motor badge that I'm not personally a huge fan of.
I did notice that, and depending, if that's really what it's going to come with, if you don't want that badge on there, all you have to do is tell your delivery specialist about it, and they'll be able to remove the badge or not put it on before you take delivery.
Yeah, it looked pretty large.
It was big.
Yeah, it is pretty big. So originally the base price for the Performance Model 3 was $86,000. Breakdown of the new $80,000 price tag is $64,000 for the vehicle. Paint's gonna range anywhere from included, which is gonna be your solid black. They now have Obsidian Black, which is $1,000. All the other colors are $1,000. Red and pearl white are $1,500 though. The performance upgrade package that David just outlined is a $5,000 option.
If you do want that white interior, it's only available on the performance version, and it will cost an additional $1,500.
And then, yeah, we just have enhanced autopilot and full self-driving at $5,000 and $3,000. Now, one thing to note on Model S, X, and 3 is full self-driving is a $3,000 option when you buy the car. Now, if you wait until after delivery, it is now $5,000. It used to only be $4,000, and now it's $5,000, and it currently, in people that didn't buy it, their My Tesla account, it is showing $5,000 now. We've heard rumors that they might drop it to $4,000 for people that had already taken delivery.
Yes.
But that is one thing to keep in mind too. So I guess the only other big thing is delivery timing for all these cars. So obviously people that recently ordered are basically getting deliveries almost immediately. But it looks like deliveries going forward are going to be a little different depending on where you are in the queue. So if you want a performance Model 3, you're looking at a delivery in 2 to 4 months.
And if you're ordering the all-wheel drive version of the Model 3, like you just saw us order a few days ago, the expected delivery time on that is about 3 to 5 months.
But also we have to look at the tax credit situation, which we will have a video coming up probably on Saturday about. But as of right now, the full $7,500 tax credit looks like it will go through the end of December 2018.
Yep.
And then the first half of 2019 will be half of the $7,500.
$3,750.
And then the second half of 2019 will be half of that.
So $1,875.
Really, tax credits through 2019.
Yeah, everybody, if you qualify, if you pay taxes, you're going to be able to get partial tax credit or full tax credit between now and the end of 2019.
Yep. So definitely if you are on the fence and that tax credit is going to sway you, which to be honest is a big chunk of change, definitely try to get your order in so that you can get delivery by the end of the year, whether it be a Model 3, S, or X. As always though, if you're looking for a Tesla, definitely check out our website. And if you're looking to buy a new or inventory Model S or X, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below and at the top of our website. Using it will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which is currently the only way to do so. As always though, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Go ahead and click here to subscribe here for some other videos, and we'll see you guys later. Also let us know in the comment section below if you just bought a Model 3, congratulations, or if you're getting a Model S or X. Bye.